Now we will go to next second question. Same, whether this first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. So here given, so we should write a x square plus 3x plus 1, then 3x to the power of 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. Then 3x to the power of 4 divided by x square. In the column you have to write 3x to the power of 4 divided by x square is equal to this 3 should write x to the power of 4 minus 2. So you can take 3x square. So here you should take 3x square. Then multiply 3x square into x square, it become a 3x to the power of 4. 3x to the power of 4. Then plus, here also no sign is here. We should consider it as plus. So 3x into 3x square, it become 9x cube. 3 3s are 9. Here plus. Here x into x square, it become x cube. Then plus into plus, plus 1 into 3x square plus 3x square. Put opposite sign, minus, minus, minus. So first you cancel this, plus 3x to the power of 4 minus 3x to the power of 4 get cancelled. Then plus 5x cube minus 9x cube. Here opposite signs are there. That means we have to subtract 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 how much? 4. Biggest number sign minus. So here we should take a minus. Minus 4x cube. Now here both are negative. When both are negative, what we should do? Keep minus sign and add. Minus 7 plus 3, 10x square. 10x square. Okay. Then plus 2x plus 2. So next step, minus 4x cube divided by x square. Minus 4x cube divided by x square is equal to minus 4x. Okay. So directly here we should take minus 4x. Then multiply minus 4x into plus x square. That means minus 4x cube. Plus into minus, minus 3x into 4x. 3 4s are 12. Minus 12x square. Plus 1 into minus 4x minus 4x. Opposite signs, plus, plus, plus. So this you cancel it because minus 4x cube plus 4x cube. Then minus 10x square plus 12x square. So what is the answer here? Both are opposite signs. So 12 minus 10, 2x square plus 2 plus 4 will become plus 6x plus 2. Then 2x square divided by x square. 2x square divided by x square. This you cancel it. So your answer is 2. So here we should take a 2. 2 into x square it becomes 2x square plus 3x into 2. 3 2s are 6. 6x plus 1 into 2. 2 plus 2. To put opposite sign, minus, minus, minus. So cancel it. So what is the remainder? 0. Now here r is equal to 0. When remainder is 0, so your first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. Therefore, x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of 3x to the power of 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. Okay, read out. Okay, thank you.